In this video, we will talk about how to fix to continue, enter an admin username and password. Click on Start, then Power icon, and select Lock. Click on your screen. Now, on your keyboard, press and hold Shift key. Then click Power icon. Select Restart. On Windows Recovery Environment, click on Troubleshoot. Advanced Options, Startup Settings. Click on Restart. On your keyboard, press F5 key. Once you are in safe mode, right-click on Start and click on Run. In Run window, type netplwiz and press Enter. Enter your admin password if you have any. Click on Yes. Now, select your user account and click on Properties. Select Group Membership tab. Set this account as administrator, then click on Apply and OK. Restart your PC and check, are you still having the same issue? Here, you can see it's working. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.